What is going on, everybody? Long time no see. I haven't made a video in like a month, I think. Today simply is gonna be a video about changing your front grills. This might be kind of silly to most of y'all, but I feel like a lot of people could use the extra help. Recently, I had a lady jam on her brakes in front of me, and I nudged her and it broke this grill. So I needed to get replacements, and I found these on eBay. And you know, I was like, okay, 30 bucks. I mean, how bad could they possibly be? They're grills. It's a piece of plastic. How bad could it get? Yeah, see, I mean, this is exactly what I expected. Nice and clean. Black double slat front grills. Let's throw them on. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. This should take you, honestly, just a few minutes. It's not lengthy at all. So most of you may know how to do this, most of you may not. So let's get right into the video. First, we're gonna start by removing this rubber piece that runs all along the lights, the front, and yeah, we're gonna take these little bolts out. Let me show you guys. So take this, pull it, bring it all the way over here, toss that right there, it doesn't matter. And it's gonna reveal these bolts. It's a Torx head, so you'll need that. And yeah, let me show you guys real quick. T30 these, and then you'll be good to go. All right, and then one more thing. You're also gonna have one of these, or two of these actually. Two of these, one on this side, one on that side. Once you disconnect all these bolts, you're gonna use this to your advantage, all right? So you're gonna have to pull this up to get your arm in there. And once you do that, you're gonna wanna mess with these clips, all right? So literally all you're gonna do is push down on these tabs. There's a tab down there holding that in, and you need to push it down and pull it out of that little tab. You'll know what I'm talking about because you'll be able to feel it. So basically, this piece, this middle piece right here, you gotta push that down when it's installed to get it out of its little spot. All right, now that that's done, all you're gonna do is push these into place, just like this. Line them up with the previous clips in there. Just push it in like that. And yeah, that's it. That's all it takes. So once you finish buttoning everything back together, so you can see the little rubber piece right here is back on, all the bolts are in, you're left with, you know, your new grill look. Brand new grills off eBay. 30 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that for a new front end, really. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I'm glad to be back in the game making videos. It feels good to be back. And look forward to more content. I've, like, kid you not, 4 other videos I need to edit, so I need to get busy on that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.